Now I know what you're thinking, you can see that wrap in the background. This time I took my time at it, I did a lot better job. I used my staple gun. And you can see the quality work just came out so much better this time. I took it up a notch on this one here. I even used my metric tape measure to measure this. That's why it came out perfect. Want to see me change out some dryers? Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. I swear these carts are always in my way. No matter what I'm doing around here, they're always in my way. I was really worried when I bought these dryers. A lot of people will be like, why were you worried? Well, I've got, what, 5? I've got, in this laundromat, I have 5 45-pound stacks, which are those right there. Then I have 5 55-pound dryers. When you do the washer makeup, I should have like, I don't know, 3 or 4 more stacks in this place, and I'm like, man, I just won't have enough dryers. It's funny though, people use like up to midway, and then these, I literally could probably go maybe 2 weeks and not have as much quarters as I do in that end of the room. And I never have a dryer backup. I never have people waiting to use dryers. So the opposite happened to what I thought was going to happen. I thought I was going to have to buy some more. See the wall down there? Looks like it's got spots for more. That's actually framed out for more dryers, for more stack units, all the way up to that end. And I did that because I was so afraid that I was going to need more dryers. So in a laundromat, one piece of advice I have for you, if you build a laundromat or you buy a laundromat, don't buy more equipment than you need. I saved a lot of money by not buying 3 or 4 more stacks. You know, they were like $4,000 or $4,500 a piece for me with the stainless steel combo and the stainless steel drums. The 55-pounders were like $3,900. And I've heard people say other prices lately. Now this was about 3-4 years ago, so maybe prices have gone up that much. But my advice is build your laundromat so you can house more equipment, but start out with a smaller package if you're not sure. If your demographic is real small, you do not need machines they're not going to use. I have a laundromat down the street. They got 3 80-pounders. They've got 6 60-pounders, 5 40-pounders, and they get not that much business. So it's because no one's using those machines. Sorry.
Yeah, all over dirt bike. Down. They call him down one. Yeah, we went to the tow bar and had his wake for him.
Wow.
Yeah, sat right on the south end on Fair Day. Me and my buddy were yep, right on Fair Day last week.
Wow.
Shot in the face, killed him. And what's sad is he's only 27, he's got 3 kids, you know. The kids are going with ones.
All over selling a dirt bike, or just?
I really don't know the whole situation. I just I know it was over. They say it was over a $700 dirt bike, which is petty as can be.
Wow.
I don't know if he had a stolen dirt bike or if he bought a bike that was stolen that was somebody else's, or really what the situation really was. Yeah.
Yeah. People are nuts.
It is. You know, the world's just getting crazy, man.
Yeah, we're gonna put a plastic mirror in that. They can't.
I know. God bless you, bro. You stay safe, man.
You too. Take it easy.
Take care now.
Now see, he was homeless, and I can handle that. I can handle those guys where they come in, they leave, they're respectful. See, that worked out well. Doesn't have to be like the other ones. And it's crazy right now with this pandemic. If we talk about that for a minute, the amount of people becoming homeless and the amount of people not having money is just increasing like exponentially at the moment. And it's delayed reactions, like companies are just now getting hammered. Like airlines, you know, they kind of put up with this pandemic for a while, and now they're not putting up with it. Now these people are getting laid off. Now see that 25 down there? That's how many $5 bills are in this bill recycler right here. That means people are loading those up. Before I leave, I want to vend this change machine real quick. Big lesson, like I keep reiterating, and it's because if you repeat it, people remember this. Always, before you leave your laundromat, always check your change machine. Took it. Now we're gonna see if we get some money. And I do this. It's almost like I do it out of superstition anymore. Because so many times I would literally take the change out of this thing or the money out of it, and then literally I get a call an hour later that your change machine doesn't work. Well, I was just there. So I just throw the change in a bucket in the back. Alright, how about we go to the other laundromat where the lady left her clothes the other night. See if she left me another note where I can call her. Oh hey, I'm going to show you something. I had a mirror in the bathroom. And here's what they did to it. And this isn't an okay area. But somebody was either cracked out of their mind or drugged out or something. People a lot of times in your laundromats will come in and do drugs in your bathroom. Just like that guy that came in a little bit ago. Yeah, he's homeless. He has nowhere to go to the bathroom. But you will have people come in and just shoot up heroin and leave. So you need to, you'll know when you see them come along.